Are you trying to decide between which bike is best for you, the Ninja 300, 400, or 500, or the Yamaha R3, or the Duke 390, or whatever other bike may be out there, the Honda CBR 500, which is heavy as heavy? That's okay. You should be thinking about that. You absolutely should be thinking about what bike is fits your needs, right? But don't let the idea of decision stress, trying to pick the right bike, prevent you from actually learning how to ride. Pick the bike. Pick one. Just pick a color. Go with one. Pick one you can afford, right? Pick one you can afford, and then ride that. Because I'm telling you, man, trying to pick the right bike, especially as like your first beginner bike. I'm not talking about like your second, third, fourth bike, but your first bike should just be about learning how to ride. Like, and it's like your first car. You didn't need it to be perfect. You just needed it to work. And you need to learn how to drive on it, and you did. And you banged it up a little bit. You hit some curbs. You parked badly a few times, and that's exactly what's going to happen with your first bike. You're gonna ride it in a way that kind of makes you sad sometimes, because you're gonna wish that you didn't drop it, which you will. Everyone drops their bike at some point. It just happens. Or maybe you get lucky, but someone else drops your bike. And if it's never happened to you, congratulations, you won at life. But not all of us are so lucky. But the important thing is, guys, if you're looking to get into motorcycle riding, start riding. Stop worrying so much about what the perfect bike is going to be, because the perfect bike's the one you get to ride.